Take this money, go to the market and buy oha leaves, cocoyam, yellow pepper, beef and fish. And buy.
Cocoyam fish, okay, got it.
Listen well, Chini. I need to finish this soup before your father gets back. The most important part, the oha leaves. If you don't see oha, don't buy anything else that looks like it, you hear?
Mommy, I know oha leaves. I see you cook it every Friday. I'll be back in a flash. How much are these vegetables? Okay, I have everything except the oha. Let me go and buy the oha leaves. Good afternoon, Ma. Do you have oha leaves?
Ah, oha? I just sold the last bunch, but look at this one. This is oha special. It's even sweeter than the one your mother told you to buy. It makes the soup thick.
It looks a bit different. The stem is thicker.
Because it is from the farm this morning. If you use this, your father will give you extra pocket money. Trust me.
Okay, give me 2 bunches. I need to get home. Mommy, I'm back. I got everything. The market was so crowded.
Well done, my daughter. Bring the oha, let me shred it. The pot is already boiling. Chini, what is this? The oha leaves.
Oha special.
Oha special? Chini, this is not oha leaves. It looks like oha leaves, but it's not. They're not the same. If I put this in the pot, the whole soup will be bitter. Look at the veins on the back of the leaf. Oha is soft, delicate. This one is feeling like leather.
But the market woman said,
She saw a small girl and sold you what she couldn't sell to adults. Chini, we cannot eat this. You have to take it back.
Take it back, but Mommy, I'm tired. My legs ache.
The mother said, "Do you want to eat bitter soup? If you want to eat that delicious oha soup, you will take this back and buy the real oha. Go quickly before the sun sets."
Do you want to eat bitter soup? If you want that delicious oha soup, you need to take this back and buy the authentic oha. Hurry up before the sun sets.
Excuse me, Ma. My mother said that this is not oha leaves.
Please, I want my money back.
I don't take returns. Once you leave my stall, it's yours.
Mama Bisi, stop that. You know that's not oha leaves. Why are you cheating the child?
Here, my daughter. Look closely. See the difference? Feel it. This is the real oha.
Thank you, Ma. I will never forget how it looks now.
Now that's the smell of oha soup.
It smells so good. I'm sorry I bought the wrong one, Mummy. I was just trying to be fast.
Being fast is good, but being sure is better. You've learned a big lesson today.
In life, many things will look like the real thing, but you have to check the heart.
And the veins on the leaf.
Yes, and the veins. Go and wash your hands. It's time to eat.